How to fix your iPhone hotspot is not working on other devices. So if you're trying to connect to your iPhone hotspot but it's not connecting, then I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and fix this. So the first thing we're going to try doing is opening up the settings on your phone and then scroll down to Personal Hotspot and click on this. Now obviously make sure Allow Others to Join is turned on and make sure you're using the correct Wi-Fi password. So if you click on the Wi-Fi password, you can go and change this to a custom password, and you need to make sure this matches the password that you're trying to connect to. Now you'll also need to make sure Maximize Compatibility is turned on like this, and then come back over to the previous window and then scroll down and click on General. Now scroll down to VPN and Device Management and make sure you're not connected to any VPNs. So you can see here that it should say not connected like so, and then come back over to the previous window. Scroll down to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. And then just press Reset Network Settings. You'll need to enter your iPhone's passcode to confirm these changes, and then check to see if your hotspot is now connecting. Now if it's still not working, you'll just need to go and power cycle your phone. So to do this, we need to do a simple key combination. You need to quickly tap the volume up button, quickly tap the volume down button, and then just hold the lock screen button on the right hand side of your phone. Now continue to hold this button down until your iPhone screen goes completely black. Now even when it goes black, continue to hold the lock screen button down. After about 10 more seconds, you'll see the Apple logo appear. You can then release the lock screen button, head back over to your settings and make sure your mobile hotspot is turned on, and you should now be able to connect to your phone's mobile hotspot.